What's up, folks? Heinz Morning Update. August 18th, post Fed minutes and shenanigans. We dipped yesterday. We are in the, again, 69. 79 to 64 level. Very tight range last night. So 94 is my line here. ES needs above 94, sustained over 94 to return back into anything bullish. And until then, I'd have to lean on the bearish side. 55.49 may be levels to watch downside, but I would think that if we started to head down, this 30 level is going to be important. 30, 33. We lose that. The 2220 might hold, but I would think that they would test the 4200, 4203 level. That should be defended to keep it from dying. Because after that, after 4179 or 4180, you have all these singles down here that need to be repaired into 4150-ish. So this would be interesting to fall through this. You also have huge volume there at the 4123, 22. So I would assume that if we lose this 4200, 4203 level, we would traverse back and start testing this level again. But let's just kind of play devil's advocate and say that this rally is above 20 or 94 and heads up. Then that 05 level again is huge. So yesterday when we spiked up, we came right to the 05. I mean, it's been a level I've been talking about. It parked right there and then came right back down. So here's your pivots, 83, 312, 343. These are always good. Joey posts them for the SPX. They're related. They're all the same formula for both, what he posts and what I have for ES. Daily, you can look at, we came up. There's that 200-day moving average that everyone was talking about. I was thinking maybe that we would pop above that and scream higher. But after yesterday and everything, I'm not quite sure. Now, OPEX is Friday, so we'll have to see what happens there and see what happens today. We've got numbers coming out at 8:30. Again, nothing on the overnight. So Euro, we're still in that range, 1027 to 101. Until we break that, nothing happens. It's still in a downward channel, but it's kind of going nowhere. It's idle, so I think it's just kind of waiting to see what happens. We did leave a small cash gap up there, up to 4305 on the SPX, so 02 to 05, and then we have downside 4219, 4207. So that 4219 would kind of coincide with the 4223 level for ES, or 4222. That's going to be around that area. Again, this level held last time. Now, if we get down there, I don't know if it'll hold this time, but definitely something to target. So if the top of the channel doesn't hold, maybe the bottom does, and then we rebound. We will see if buyers step in or not. Anyway, that's about all. Let's take a look at economics today. So jobless claims, continuous claims, Philadelphia Fed, that's all at 8:30. Existing home sales, I'm assuming this is not going to be good. Leading economic indicators, I have no idea. And then you have two Fed speakers at 120 and 145. So that should be fun. We'll see if they're talking hawkish or dovish. Anyway, Relvol's at 97, so it looks like we could get a move today. I just, there's definitely nothing yet. And then we had the Bed Bath & Beyond debacle yesterday. Some are calling the end of Gamma Squeeze meme stocks. We'll see. But that was definitely a rug pull and some shenanigans there. Anyway, happy Thursday. I will not be here tomorrow. I've got a meaning I have to go too. So no video tomorrow. So those levels that I posted are going to be good for tomorrow. 42.33 to 30. That 42.23 might hold. And then defending the big level is 4,200, 42.03. And then upside, my targets are still 43.60 and then just under 4,400 for the upside on the majors if we get past that 200 day. So I would use that 200 day as resistance. And if we get through it, I think that we'll really go, because that'll surprise people. That's where I'm nervous about that, is the fact that it could, if it gets above this where everybody thought that this was the high, that's what makes me nervous, is when everybody's on one side and the high is in, makes me nervous. So if we get a crazy OPEX Friday, if this gets above that, I could see it squeezing and just seeing a crazy ramp up as everyone short covers, because I think they're fairly pot committed. This is the top. So just keep that in mind. And anyway, have a good day, and I should be in the room today for the most part.